Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on YouTube about the best affiliate marketing course in 2020. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic and we're going to look actually at the best affiliate marketing course that is going to bring you the most benefits, the biggest overview, and that is really mostly the broadest program and course that I have ever seen. So before we dive into it, I just quickly want to notice you that if you're not a subscriber yet to my YouTube channel, The Undisputed Marketer, then I highly encourage you to click the red subscribe button just below this video. I strive to deliver every single day a new topic regarding affiliate marketing, online business, passive income, and all of this stuff. So by hitting that subscribe button, you're not only helping me, but also you're helping yourself getting the new knowledge and information which is out there. So having said that, let's just dive into our today's topic, the best affiliate marketing course. And the course that we are going to talk about is ClickBank University. Now, ClickBank University, you've probably heard about it if you've ever got involved into ClickBank affiliate marketplace at all. And ClickBank University, I just love this program, to be honest with you. And the reason why I find it the best affiliate marketing course, there are a number of reasons for that. But first of all, I just want to tell you that because I've started this ClickBank University, I had some doubts about it. If it is the right course for me, if it is going to teach me some new skills, new things, and all of this stuff. And I haven't been, I really got exactly that what I was looking for. So the reason behind ClickBank University being really the best affiliate marketing course, and 2020 and onwards, is because it really does make sense learning the affiliate marketing from people who basically created that, or that are running the best affiliate marketplace and the most powerful marketplace on the market. The ClickBank affiliate market is probably, maybe not probably, but mostly is the most popular one, the best one, and basically the affiliate marketplace where there are the most money involved in. So they are highly successful, and it just does really make sense learning the skills and learning the business from the ones who are the most successful ones. So, and having said this, I've basically joined ClickBank University because I've exactly got this advice from several mentors who told me that get to know the business, or whatever you're doing, from the ones who actually are running it, who are actually very successful with it. So that just really makes sense. It adds the credibility, the authority, and just the insights of the jigs, and the whole marketplace and the whole market as it works. You will not get this information from anybody else, just ClickBank University. So you're probably wondering whether it is for a beginner or from somebody who is already somehow experienced. I will be completely honest with you. When I've started with ClickBank University, I've already knew quite a lot about affiliate marketing. I had my whole sales funnel prepared, and I was just looking for some more information and getting to know more about traffic and all of this stuff. And you will find everything what you need. It is both for a beginner and also for an experienced affiliate marketer. So obviously you need to keep in mind that you cannot really expect learning everything from one course, right? It's all about constant learning, because the market is changing, the people are changing, and it's just in a constant move. So you gotta learn every single day. You gotta study this topic, this business, and that's exactly what I, for example, do. I just love this journey. I love this process, and the whole marketplace and the whole market, the business of affiliate marketing. So it's all about learning and constant learning every single day. And so I just don't want you to think that suddenly from ClickBank University you will know everything about affiliate marketing. You know, it's not like that. It's like, you know, if you would study law, you study 7 years or so for the law, and then you practice 10 years. So, you know, it's very similar to every other business. So just don't expect going through one course and that will teach you everything. You know, go through many different courses and you can basically gather that information together, and that's how you become, you know, original, genuine, and just one of a kind. So having said that, it all depends, with ClickBank University, it all depends on, you know, what you're looking for. If you're a complete beginner, then it's amazing, because they do have like an affiliate courses and also vendor courses, which means, you know, you can learn how to be an affiliate or like a product owner, creating your own product. So I'm just going to show you quickly how it looks like. So just go into CBU 2.0, and here it is. So basically, if you want to learn about affiliates, how to basically do all the sales funnels, email marketing, all of that stuff, here are your lessons. They are very greatly done. They are not long videos, which is great. The biggest or the longest video is about maybe 10 minutes, and that's it. And here is also vendors page. So here is, you know, obviously you can see it's a little bit longer and broader, and that's exactly, you know, very interesting. So if you are experienced when it comes to affiliate marketing, you know here and there about this, the affiliates course, which is over here, won't give you that much information. Now, I'm not sure how are you experienced or in which parts you are experienced, but if you have your sales funnel prepared and ready and done, and you've done some courses on this, then this part is not going to give you that much information as you probably expected, because it's all about, you know, creating the sales funnel. And, you know, again, it all depends on what stage you are in, you know. But you know, I was exactly the same. I've already had my sales funnel created and all of that stuff, and so I just wanted another additional information. So I just went through this, went through it. You know, you can ask for full access, which is over here. Let me just go back. Here is the all access. Just write them email, go through it. If you are experienced, if you know, you will see that, you know, going through all of these videos and lessons, that okay, this is something that I already know. But I highly recommend going through that, because me myself, I also am experienced with this, but I went through it and I found good information that really helped me, in my business. You know, it's all about those small things, small tips that you get, you know, maybe from all of these 10 to 20 videos, you get maybe 2 or 3 good things, but those 2 or 3 things will genuinely help you and make large, big changes. Now, if you're a complete beginner, then this is amazing. This is literally how you should do your sales funnel. You know, it's not something like, you know, spamming your affiliate links all over the place on Facebook or wherever else, or creating a capture page and right after that sending them straight to the sales page. It's nothing like that. This is the real deal. This is how you should do it. So I highly recommend it. Go through this, and all of you, and you will get lots of information. Now, the best part, or at least for me, what was really the best part, is the traffic section. Now, here you have different lessons over here, and you can literally get, you know, informations and learn how to do this. You know, you can see here are the lessons how to do all of this stuff, you know, and things. And you know, it's literally from all over the place. You know, from setting up a custom domain with GoDaddy, Camtasia, you know, Canva, CB Builder, which is the ClickBank Builder, which is the sales funnel of the email marketing, demographic research with Google, and also. And what is more is when you go back into the main page. Sorry, back to your library, this one. here is additional resources when it comes to traffic or anything else. So let me just check where is it. So it should be this one, traffic vote. Yeah, so just view product, and here are tons and tons of videos about traffic, which is just amazing. You can learn paid traffic, you can see so many things here, free traffic, funnel plus product, you know, mindset plus setup. Mindset is so important, just go through this. So yeah, there are so many things you can learn over here, and for the price they're offering, which is $47, you get all of this for $47. I haven't paid anything more. When you want the ClickBank builder, you need to pay additional $97, I suppose, but that's basically the same price for any other good autoresponders, so that's fine. I don't have that, I'm using ClickFunnels, but apart from that, this is all that you get for $47. And now, only from, you know, looking at the options, there's quite a lot of things you can get. And so this is why I highly recommend everybody to go and buy, get ClickBank University, you know, because it's just so many things and so many information. You know, it's literally the best affiliate marketing course that you can possibly get when it comes to, you know, the general knowledge, the having the broadest information, the widest. And, you know, obviously, you know, it's all about constant learning. You know, if you want to learn how to build your sales funnel properly, like, you know, expertly, then obviously you will find better courses. But when it comes to the general knowledge and the wideness and, you know, the scale of the information they're offering, this one is the best one. So definitely go ahead. I highly recommend ClickBank University. I'm going through it as well. I'm a customer of them, so yeah, it's amazing. And so listen guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got lots of value from it. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it, what do you think about ClickBank University, if you have any experience with them. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn a little bit more about all of this stuff that we just spoke about, if you want an extra help with when it comes to even ClickBank University, if you want, you know, to have that extra information, extra help from me, then I highly encourage you to click the link below. It's the first link in the description, and you will get full access to my 4-day free video series where I talk about affiliate marketing in great detail, even more about the strategies and methods, how to sell, how to create the funnels and all of that stuff in detail, and how to create a relationship between you and your customer, which really sells. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I